How to fix Steam games easy anti-cheat not installed. First things first is we'll have to repair easy anti-cheat that is currently downloaded on each or any of your Steam games. For you to be able to go to there, just go to your file manager and then go to this PC, pull up your local disk C drive, go to Program Files 86, and then look for Steam folder, go to Steam Apps, Common, and then from here you'll have to choose on any Steam games folder that you have. Just pull it up and then just pull up easy anti-cheat folder of any of those game folders that you have from Steam. And then from here, all you have to do is to run your easy anti-cheat setup, double click on that, and then just click on repair service. Now you'll just have to wait 1 to 3 minutes until repairing is done, and then you'll have to rerun the game. If it's still not working, all you have to do is go back to your Windows search, type in apps and features, click OK. From here, look for your easy anti-cheat and then just simply uninstall it. And once you start up your any games that you have from Steam, your easy anti-cheat will automatically download itself. So those are the troubleshooting steps on how you can fix easy anti-cheat Steam games not installed.